Hello students, this is the 92nd lecture for TY BCom students. Name of the subject is Business Statistics Paper 3, Unit 7, Lecture number 5. Name of the topic is Queuing Theory. This is the practical number 6 for Business Statistics Paper 3. Queue means a waiting line for getting a particular service. Terms used in queuing theory. First term which is used is queue. A line of units which is formed before service facility is called a queue or waiting line. Second term, customer. Units arriving at a server to get a particular type of service are called customers. Third concept, waiting time. The time spent by a customer in a queue before getting the desired service. Next term, time spent in a system. The total of waiting time, that is time in the queue, and time required to get service, that is service time, is called time spent in the system. Next concept, queue length. The number of customers waiting in the queue is called queue length. Next concept, calling population. A group of individuals or units from where the customers arrive in the queuing system is called a calling population. Next concept, queue discipline. It represents the order in which customers are taken for service. For example, in the discipline first in first out, if IFO, customers are served in the order in which they arrive. Characteristic of queuing model. A queuing model is completely specified by 6 main characteristics. First is arrival distribution. Second, departure or service distribution. Third is service channels. Fourth, service discipline. Fifth, maximum number of customers allowed in the system. And sixth, calling population. So this is the diagrammatic representation of a queuing system. So this is calling population. Customers arrive, they stand in the queue. They are given service by a server. There is single server and they depart from the system. Now see the notation and formulae used in queuing system. First is lambda, which is nothing but arrival rate or inter-arrival rate. Mu is nothing but service rate. Next concept is rho, which is nothing but traffic intensity, which is equal to lambda upon mu. Rho is also called a utilization ratio. Next formula which we need is probability that system is busy, which is nothing but rho. We can say this is nothing but lambda upon mu. Next formula, probability that system is idle, is equal to 1 minus rho. Next formula, probability that there are n units in the system, which is denoted by Pn, which is equal to P0 into lambda upon mu raised to n. Next formula, average waiting time of the customers in the system is given by Ws, which is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda. Next formula, average waiting time of customer in the queue is given by Wq is equal to lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda. Next formula, average or expected number of customers in the system, that is system length, is given by Ls, which is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda. Next concept, average or expected number of customers in the queue is given by queue length, which is denoted by Lq and is given by lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda. See the example. A departmental store has a single cashier. During the rush hours, customers arrive at a rate of 20 customers per hour. The cashier takes on an average 2.5 minutes per customer for processing. First part of the problem: what is the probability that the cashier is idle? Second part of the problem: what is the probability that a customer shall have to wait in the queue? Next part of the problem: what is the average number of customers in the queuing system? Next part of the question: what is the average time of a customer spends in the queue waiting for service? Next part: what is the average time spent by a customer in the system? And last part: what is the average queue length? So see the solution. They have given us mean arrival rate lambda is equal to 20 per hour. Now we have to find mean service rate using the information that the cashier takes on an average 2.5 minutes per customer for processing. So in 60 minutes he can process 60 upon 2.5, which is equal to 25 customers per hour. See the first part of the problem. Probability that the cashier is idle is given by P0, which is equal to 1 minus lambda upon mu, which is equal to 1 minus 20 upon 24, which can be written as 24 minus 20 upon 24, which is equal to 4 upon 24, that is equal to 1 upon 6. So the final answer is 0.17. Next part of the problem: probability that a customer shall have to wait in the queue, that is probability that there is at least one customer in the system, is rho, which is equal to lambda upon mu, that is equal to 20 upon 24. The answer is 0.83. Next part of the question: average number of customers in the system, that is system length, is given by LS is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda, which is equal to 20 upon 24 minus 20, that is equal to 20 upon 4. So that is nothing but 5 customers. Next part of the problem: average time a customer spends in the queue waiting for the service is denoted by WQ is equal to lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 20 upon 24 into bracket 24 minus 20, which is equal to 5 upon 24 hour. Convert the time in terms of minutes by multiplication of with 60. So 5 into 60 upon 24. So the answer is 12.5 minutes. Next example: average time spent by next part of the question: average time spent by a customer in the system is denoted by WS, which is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda, that is equal to 1 upon 24 minus 20, that is equal to 1 upon 4 hour. So which can be written as 1 into 60 upon 4 minutes, that is equal to 15 minutes. Last part of the question: average queue length is denoted by LQ. LQ can be calculated as lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, which is equal to 20 square upon 24 into bracket 24 minus 20, that is equal to 400 divided by 24 into 4. So the answer is 4.17 customers. See the next example. In a bank, checks are cashed by a single teller counter. Customers arrive at the counter in a Poisson manner at an average rate of 30 customers per hour. The teller takes on an average a minute and a half to cash a check. The service time has been shown to be exponentially distributed. First part of the question, calculate the percentage of time tailor is busy. Second part of the question, average time a customer is expected to wait. See the solution. We are given that average arrival rate lambda is equal to 30. We have to find average service rate mu can be calculated as 60 upon 1.5, because it is given that tailor takes 1.5 minutes to serve a customer. So 60 upon 1.5, mu value becomes 40. See the first part of the problem. Percentage of time the tailor is busy is given by rho, that is equal to lambda upon mu, which can be written as 30 upon 40, which is equal to 0.75. Therefore, percentage of time the tailor is busy is equal to 75%. Second part of the question, the average time a customer is expected to wait is given by Ws. Ws is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda, that is equal to 1 upon 40 minus 30 hours. So 1 upon 10 hours. So 1 into 60 upon 10 minutes. So we can write this as 6 minutes. See the next example. XYZ tailoring house has one tailor specialized in men's shirts. The number of customers requiring stitching of shirts appears to follow Poisson distribution with mean arrival rate of 12 per hour. Customers are attended by the tailor on a first come first served basis, and they are willing to wait for service if there be queue. The time the tailor takes to attend a customer is exponentially distributed with mean 4 minutes. To compute first part of the problem, the utilization parameter or traffic intensity. Second part of the problem, the probability that the queuing system is idle. Third part of the problem, the average time the tailor is free on 8-hour working day. Next part of the problem, what is the probability that there shall be 5 customers in the shop? Next part of the problem, what is the number of customers in the shop? Sixth part of the problem, what is the expected number of customers waiting for tailor services? Next part, what is the expected length of non-empty queue? Eighth part, how much time a customer should expect to spend in the queue? And last part, how much time a customer should expect to spend in the queue? So we are given that arrival rate lambda is equal to 12 customers per hour. Service rate mu can be calculated as 60 upon 4, that is equal to 15 customers per hour. So in the first part we need to find utilization parameter, that is equal to rho is nothing but lambda upon mu, which is equal to 12 upon 15. So the answer is 0.8. In the second part of the problem, probability that queuing system is idle is given by P0 is equal to 1 minus lambda upon mu, which is equal to 1 minus 12 upon 15, can be written as 1 minus 0.8. So the answer is 0.2. Next part, average time the tailor is free on 8-hour working day is equal to P0 into number of hours. So P0 value just now we have calculated as 0.2. So 0.2 into 8. So the answer is 1.6 hours. Next part of the problem, probability that there shall be 5 customers in the shop is equal to Pn is equal to P0 into lambda upon mu raised to n, that is equal to 0.2 into 0.8 raised to 5. So the answer is 0.065536. Next part of the problem, What is the number of customers in the shop? Number of customers in the system is denoted by LS is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda is equal to 12 upon 15 minus 12, that is equal to 12 upon 3. That can be written as 4 customers. Next part of the question. Expected number of customers waiting for tailor service is given by LQ is equal to lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 12 square upon 15 into bracket 15 minus 12, which is equal to 144 upon 15 into 3. So the answer is 3.2 customers. Next part of the problem. Expected length of non-empty queue is equal to mu upon mu minus lambda is equal to 15 upon 15 minus 12, that is equal to 15 upon 3. So we can say this is 5 customers. Next part of the problem. Expected waiting time in the queue is given by WQ is equal to lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda is equal to 12 upon 15 into bracket 15 minus 12 is equal to 12 upon 15 into 3 hours. So convert this number in terms of minutes. 12 into 60 upon 15 into 3. So the answer is given by 720 upon 45. That can be considered as 16 minutes. Last part of the problem. Expected time a customer spends in the system is denoted by WS is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda, that is equal to 1 upon 15 minus 12, that is in hours. So multiply by 60 to get the minutes. So 60 upon 3 can be considered as 20 minutes. See the next example. Customers arrive at a sales counter manned by a single person according to a Poisson process with a mean rate of 20 per hour. The time required to serve a customer has an exponential distribution with mean of 100 seconds. Find the average waiting time of a customer in the queue. So given that arrival rate lambda is equal to 20 per hour, we have to find mean service rate mu is equal to 60 into 60 upon 100. 60 minutes are converted in terms of seconds, and then we divide by 100 because the time required to serve a customer has an exponential distribution with mean of 100 seconds. So 3600 divided by 100. So the answer is 36 per hour. Now in the question part, we have to find the average waiting time of a customer in the queue is given by WQ, which is equal to lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 20 upon 36 into bracket 36 minus 20, which can be written as 20 upon 36 into 16 hours. So we will convert it in terms of minutes by multiplication with 60. So 20 into 60 divided by 36 into 16 minutes, that is equal to 2.083 minutes. See the next example. A child care shop dealing with children's requirement has one cashier who handles all customers' payments. The cashier takes on an average 4 minutes per customer. Customers come to cashier's area in a random but on an average of 10 people per hour. The management received a large number of customers' complaints and decided to investigate the following questions. First part of the question. What is the average length of waiting line to be expected under the existing conditions? Second part of the question. What portion of his time is the cashier expected to be idle? And third part of the question. What is the average length of the time that a customer would be expected to wait to pay for his purchases? So in the given situation, mean arrival rate lambda is equal to 10. We have to find mean service rate, that is nothing but mu, is equal to 60 upon 4, that is nothing but 15. So in the first part, we have to find average length of wetting line is equal to LQ is equal to lambda square upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 10 square upon 15 into bracket 15 minus 10, that is equal to 100 upon 15 into 5, which can be written as 100 upon 75. So the answer is 1.33. Next part of the question, probability that cashier will be idle is given as 1 minus lambda upon mu, which is equal to 1 minus 10 upon 15. We can say this is 1 by 3 hours. So multiply by 60 to get the answer in minutes. So 60 upon 3 minutes, we can say that is nothing but 20 minutes. And last part of the question, average length of time that a customer is expected to wait to pay for his purchases is given by WQ is equal to lambda upon mu into bracket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 10 upon 15 into bracket 15 minus 10 hours. So 10 into 60 upon 15 into 5 minutes. So we can say this is nothing but 600 upon 75 minutes. So the answer is 8 minutes.